Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So recently I purchased Doom Eternal, and there is a problem which is currently going on. So I have Kaspersky as my antivirus, and it's properly licensed and all. The thing is, whenever I am trying to run Doom Eternal, so it will try to install Denuvo anti-cheat, which is a real problem here because Kaspersky is taking it as a virus. I'll show you what's actually happening. So when I click on play, it will try to install Denuvo anti-cheat update service. So when I try to install it, it is being detected by Kaspersky as a Trojan virus. As you can see here, it's asking me to disinfect and restart the computer, but I won't do it. The thing is, what's happening is, so when I clicked on that link, it will redirect you to this page, and it will the basically it is asking you to just skip that via Windows firewall. Now when I go back and check for what is actually happening, so it is saying like it is like the level is like a Trojan. It's working like a Trojan horse. So when I actually searched on internet, so what is actually happening, like the Denuvo anti-cheat Kaspersky issue. So this guy had the same issue, and it is posted one day ago, and this is with the newest update. And I have purchased this game yesterday itself. So yesterday itself one update came of, I guess, 2-3 GB. So this guy has properly explained like the antivirus has a very good reason for being suspicious of the software. The thing is, it's basically says like the software Denuvo anti-cheat which is there, it is accessing to a root 0 level kind of kernel, which is literally not required for an anti-cheat software to go. So that is the reason why it is rolling back that saying it's like it's a malware kind of thing. So as of now I am not gonna play, and I'll try to go for a refund. Let's see what's the update from them. Yeah guys, so there is one more problem. Like when I actually wanted to go for a Steam refund for Doom Eternal, and basically the thing is like it is showing me to go means only for Steam wallet refund, and it's not allowing me to go for the proper domestic card wallet. I'll show you guys what's actually happening. See, so we just go to that, and click on the game, and then there is, it says select the problem you have with the product. Gameplay, game doesn't start when I try to launch it. So if I try to contact Steam support, it says like it cannot provide the game's assistance made by other companies. So if I try to go for a refund, it says refund to my wallet or refund to my debit card. So that's a domestic debit card, which is basically I am from India, so that's what the reason. And it says like, sorry, Steam cannot process the refund to this payment method, which they actually already alarm you when you are purchasing a product via the domestic card. So just keep in mind guys that this is the problem which is going on. So anyhow, I'll use this money for Cyberpunk, but then I guess I'll be going with the Steam wallet refund. Now the thing is, I can go and then remove these quarantines, and I can disallow Kaspersky to, like, just don't scan this software, or like just allow the software whatever it wants to do. But then the fact that why does this kind of software, or why does a company like Bethesda or Steam is going for Denuvo anti-cheat, which is getting detected by a Kaspersky antivirus? So why is it happening as such? This is the problem. It's not the problem that you cannot allow the software or you cannot get a refund or something like that. So these are the issues is going on. I hope you guys like the video. If you liked it, please like and do subscribe to my channel. It will help me create some more videos with the same content. Thank you guys. I hope to see you next time, and be safe.